been there. Piles of data that needs to be reviewed and means you'll be spending hours, days, or weeks on a repetitive task. Endless spreadsheets, folders jammed with images, or a long list of sales leads. Worse is when that pile is simply overwhelming. What to do? Pull more members of the team into it? That's neither scalable nor a good use of your team's time. Instead of spending hours of your team's time, it's time to take a look at Amazon Mechanical Turk. Mechanical Turk is a crowdsourcing service provided by Amazon that connects you with thousands of people who are excited to help you with your project. MTurk workers are people just like you in the US and around the world who are happy to earn a little extra money contributing to your project. Mechanical Turk workers excel at doing all of the tasks that people are good at, such as categorizing businesses, images, and data, transcribing images, audio, and video, comparing items and data records, evaluating items for quality or cleaning up issues, collecting data from various places on the internet, and a wide range of other tasks. Instead of dividing all that work amongst a few overworked members of your team and letting them spend the next 3 weeks working through it, you can make it available to thousands of workers in the crowd. Each worker will do 1, 2, or more of your tasks. By dividing them up amongst so many workers, your work will get done much more quickly, in many cases in a matter of hours. Each of your tasks is presented to workers as a form that they can complete on the web. In most cases, you provide workers with enough information to complete the task and fields where they can provide the information that you need. To improve accuracy, MTurk also makes it easy to route each task to multiple workers. Because even the most diligent worker can sometimes make a simple mistake, particularly when the right answer is a judgment call, getting multiple responses is a great way to increase the accuracy of your results. In this case, one of our workers accidentally clicked on the wrong category, but because we asked 2 other workers, we know that the right category is cat. The more workers you ask, the higher the accuracy you can expect. You can even use Mechanical Turk as a panel for your survey or study by asking for hundreds of workers to respond to your task. To get results that are accurate, fast, and affordable, we encourage you to give Amazon Mechanical Turk a try.